who heals the healer. Like सर जब ट्रेनिंग ले रहे थे, एक क्वेश्चन था सबके मन में कि हम अगर लोगों को हीलिंग दे रहे हैं तो हमारी हीलिंग कौन करेगा. So myself, Kirti Sujnani, I'm a yoga practitioner and trainer as well. So last year we took training from Sandeep sir and Vaishali ma'am. So after that immediately we started with taking healing sessions and all. So every time, every session was so refreshing. Like सर जब ट्रेनिंग ले रहे थे, एक क्वेश्चन था सबके मन में कि हम अगर लोगों को हीलिंग दे रहे हैं तो हमारी हीलिंग कौन करेगा. And at that time what he explained was actually working practically. So whenever we are taking sessions, we also feel upgraded, we also feel healed. It's not that something is going through, you become the instrument, and it's a very vast empire to experience. हर किसी की लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ different experience आता है. Even today's session was too good. It reminded me of my first session when everyone slept. So it was amazing, means amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir.